Welcome to Fix Your Apps, the channel dedicated to helping you find the best tools for your digital life. Today we're diving into the 5 best apps for grocery list on Android to make your shopping faster and smarter. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Shopping List, My Grocery List. With a solid 4.1 star rating based on 10K reviews, this app is praised as a simple and smart list maker to prepare for all kinds of shopping. From groceries to clothes, it helps you keep track of everything you need for the house on one convenient screen. Its 3 standout features are Shopping List. Create a daily grocery list and use a simple swipe system to mark items as purchased. Easy to use, the app has a simple, clean design that is effortless to navigate and understand. Widgets, you can manage and add tasks directly from your home screen without opening the main app. Now let's take a look at the layout as we open the app. The main screen is the home menu, which gives you a clear view of your current lists. To add a new item quickly, you simply tap the plus icon bottom of the screen. It's designed for single tap input. If you look at the 3 dots icon top right, this gives you access to additional list management options like sorting your lists or using the delete all function once you've finished a shopping trip. Its straightforward approach makes it an excellent, reliable option. At number 4 on our list, we have the AnyList grocery shopping list app. With a strong 4.4 star rating based on 26,000 reviews, AnyList is the top choice for busy families, couples, and anyone who wants to simplify weekly meal planning and shop smarter. It's designed to end chaotic grocery trips and the constant question of what's for dinner. This app has several standout features. Shared lists, you can instantly share your grocery list and watch items get checked off in real time with family or friends. List versatility, it allows you to create not just grocery and shopping lists, but checklists of all kinds for any purpose. Recipe organization, stop searching through cookbooks. You can store and organize all your favorite recipes directly within the app. Moving into the app's design, the layout is clean and intuitive. The main lists option shows all your current shopping lists and checklists, which you can instantly share or build in seconds using Smart Autocomplete. Tapping the Recipes tab brings you to your complete recipe hub, where you can easily save recipes from the web and organize them in one place. The Meal Plan option gives you a clear calendar to assign recipes to specific days, helping you plan your week ahead. Under the Settings option, you can customize your experience, manage your account, and access advanced features like list themes and passcode lock. Finally, the Upgrade option showcases AnyList Complete, which unlocks features like desktop and Apple Watch access, item photos, and advanced store-specific tools. At number 3 on our list is our groceries shopping list. This highly rated app with a 4.9 star average across 52,000 reviews is an incredibly simple yet powerful tool to ensure you never forget an item and always get the exact right products at the store. Its main purpose is to keep your family's grocery list instantly synchronized across all your devices, making shopping easy and stress-free. Here are 3 standout features. Grocery shopping made easy. The app organizes your list by category or aisle to make your shopping route faster and more efficient. Share with the whole family. Every household member can see updates to the shared list in seconds, even seeing items checked off as another person shops. Use with any device. It's available on Android, iPhone, iPad, and can be used on a laptop or with voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. Now let's take a look at the design and flow as we click through the app's clean interface. First, we land on the home menu, which displays all your current shopping lists and recipe collections. This is your central hub for meal planning and shopping trips. Tapping the plus icon at the bottom immediately lets you add a new item to your list, which is instantly available to anyone sharing your list. If you are looking for an item across your many lists or recipes, the search icon in the top right allows for quick, effortless searching. Finally, the three dots icon in the top corner brings up your main settings and options where you can manage list sharing, access recipes, or upgrade to the ad-free version. At number 2 on our list is Bring Grocery Shopping List. This highly rated app, boasting a 4.3 star rating from over 138,000 reviews, makes grocery planning simple and stress-free. It's the ultimate shopping list app for both creating and sharing your household lists. Here are 3 standout features that make Bring a great choice. The simplest shopping list for sharing. Set up shared lists with your household or friends and receive real-time updates and notifications. Easy entry and smart search. Quickly add items using a smart search function with product recommendations or simply use a voice command. Details and quantity specification. Prevent buying the wrong items by adding descriptions, specific quantities, or even photos to your list items. The design of Bring is clean and intuitive. As we first open the app, we land on the Lists menu, which is the central hub for all your different shared and private shopping lists. Moving to the inspiration option at the bottom, we see where the app suggests a variety of recipes, seasonal, healthy, and family friendly, which you can save to your personal recipe book. Tapping the profile option takes us to your account settings, where you can manage your personal details, customize the app's appearance, and organize your digital loyalty cards in the Bring wallet. Finally, the 3 dots icon top right opens a context menu specific to the list you are currently viewing, allowing for options like list customization, settings, or sharing preferences. At number 1 on our list, we have Shopping List Listonic. This top-rated app holds a fantastic 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 32,000 reviews. Its main purpose is to be your favorite shared shopping list app for families, making list making and sharing simple and easy. Here are 3 features that truly stand out. Plan before it's too late. This feature helps you stick to your checklist and save time and money. Shopping List, use this as a shopping checklist maker, allowing you to create and reuse lists quickly. Live sharing. Make a shared shopping list and see changes instantly while shopping together with your family. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean design. Tapping the Lists menu shows all your current shopping lists and gives you an option to create new ones, which is the main screen of the app. Next, we check out the Food Facts option to find information on various food items, acting as a quick pantry check. Moving to the Profile option, this is where you can manage your account, settings, and check out some premium features. Finally, the 3 dots icon top right reveals the context menu, giving you access to additional controls like sorting, sharing, or accessing a recipe keeper. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more app breakdowns.